Happy birthday, Papa.
Thank you. Happy birthday.
Gelap ni.
Happy birthday, Mama. Happy birthday, Bibi.
Gelap ni. This is my food. Ini Mama punya, Papa punya. Foto.
Makan semua. Baik tak? Sabar. Kami yang ni spicy. Enak. Untuk Mama.
Lepas tu dia punya pimpin panas. Suap seorang. Ada. Mak bodi tu kan nak balik ni. Mak dah balik kan balik. Dah rumah lah.
Hi guys! So here we go. I'm filming again because I feel like I need to, because this will be in the birthday vlog, February birthday vlog. But I'm going to unboxing all the gifts that I got during my birthday. But probably this video was recorded someday in April. Sebab Mimi baru rasa nak record. So yeah, so let's open the gift one by one. Tapi Mimi dah buka, cuma I'm going to show you what I got. Okay, so first of all, gift from my parents, which is Mama and Papa. So we start with the bag yang Mimi dapat. Tada! I got a handbag from them. So I got this in February, right, for my birthday, but I use it also for Raya. Terus the brand Sacha. Like this past years, I'm addicted with Sacha handbag sebab quality dia okay and harga dia murah. So Mama Papa knows that, and yeah, they bought me this, and it is in my favorite color. But kalau korang nampak, dia akan look like macam grey, tapi actually dia ada macam ash purple like that, macam tu. So this is the bag, and then dalam dia pakai magnet macam ni, and then ada one compartment but it's really big. And I have my tissues. What's more? And then dia macam ni. So dia ada zip. Then dia ada pouch juga. Macam ni. Okay, that's my card holder, my dompet and tissue. And then kat belakang ni pun dia ada macam slot juga. Tapi Mimi jarang letak barang kat situ. So this is the like macam come in this bag. Sacha. Okay. So I really love this bag. It's like really comfy. Sebab before this, Mimi usually buy handbag yang macam for Raya tapi dia tak comfy. So macam this bag is 2-in-1. It can use for Raya and then also comfortable for me to use for daily life. Okay, so thank you Mama Papa. This is the first gift from them. And then the second one was lipstick. Tada! It's a Anas satin lipstick in what code on this one? Oh, delicious code. Okay, I love this. Ni the colour yang Mimi tengah pakai ni. Ni lah lipstick ni. So Mimi dah pakai benda ni like for 2 weeks kot, ke a month lah already. I don't know. Tapi it was really good. So this is lipstick. Dia tulis Anas, and then dia warna putih macam ni. And then ni Mimi punya code. Oh ni dah banyak guna. Belah. Tapi I love it. It's very easy sebab for those yang macam tak suka lipstick, you guys might not love this. Tapi Mimi suka lipstick sebab dia senang. Mimi tak suka pakai, what do we call, yang bukan stick. Maksudnya kena maksudnya kena buka kan, macam mascara macam tu. I don't want that. So Mimi lebih suka lipstick and I love it. I'm going to repeat this by myself. So this is Mama dengan Papa bagi second gift. I love this. The code pun macam okay lah dengan Mimi. It's not that really terang and not that macam terlalu buatkan Mimi nampak pale. So thank you Mama Papa for the second gift. I love it. Okay. And then the last gift from them is a perfume. Ta-da! It's in a brand Facey. Okay, and then dia punya nama perfume ni Berry in Love. Okay, so it's a affordable brand in TikTok, and the brand is quite famous for those yang tahu. But the bau is so good guys, I'm not kidding. Kadang-kadang macam kita cakap macam kalau perfume yang not that mahal, dia macam tak terlalu sedap kan, tapi this is very very good. Okay, so Mimi dah pakai for 2 weeks. So this is the bottle. Tada! And it's besar, you know. So dia tu sedap gila dia. Dia macam bau this is so macam mana bau dia? Dia macam suitable for someone yang suka bau wangi-wangi vanilla, plain base vanilla, and then comes the sweetness, and then macam bau-bau buah, because this is very in love. Okay, so the proof that it is good is that my roommate cakap dia tak suka bau-bau buah and bau manis, dia suka bau fresh, but this one it's also come with freshness, so dia macam sangat sedap. I recommend this to you guys. Face ni keluarkan banyak lagi brand perfume tau, tapi Mimi tak tahu lah, Mimi tak pernah try lagi yang lain, so macam Mimi got this as a gift and it is really good. Okay. But Mimi ada sad story about this perfume, which was, tada, I have 2 kotak here, so you guys might be wondering why I have 2 boxes of this perfume here. Is that so after Mimi dapat this perfume from Mama Papa, Mimi tak pakai lagi, and then masa nak raya Mimi baru pakai tau. So Mimi macam pakai for like a week, and then like this one day ada, bukanlah open house, but someone came to our house untuk raya lah kan. And then Mimi was rushing on that day. Lepas tu macam tengah siap-siap. Dan lepas Mimi pakai tu, Mimi rasa Mimi letak dia dekat at the edge of my almari. So macam Mimi nak tercepat sangat, dia jatuh and pecah guys. I'm really sad about that. Sebab oh my god, korang tahu tak ada different feeling bila perfume orang bagi hilang. Ini Mimi beli pakai duit Mimi sendiri dekat TikTok sebab Mimi sayang. But sayang lah kan, macam diorang dah bagi pecah. Itulah, dia memang bukan rezeki. Tapi nasib baik Mimi cari ada lagi and it's the same bau. Sebab lepas je Mimi beli tu, dia macam dah habis. Macam tiba-tiba sold out. Macam banyak pula orang pakai. So yeah, that's the gift from my parents. We're moving on to the second gift daripada orang lain pula. Okay. So next, kita nak buka hadiah unboxing gift daripada my auntie, which is Mak Long. Okay. So this is the cutest guys. Mimi tak guna ni lagi tau, sebab this is khas untuk video. Sebab nak record video dulu baru Mimi guna. So it come with paper bag. Tada! With the roses. And then dia macam ada gold lining. Okay. And then inside it, Mimi dah buka tau, but I just want to show you guys. Tada! Cute red ribbon. Okay. So let's open it together. Tarik ni. It's like a gift box. Okay. It was very cute. So 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Oh my god, I hope you guys can see it. So it comes with wish cards. It said to Nur Fatihah Shamini. And then here's the inside. Oh wait, I think I have to open the lampu first. Yes. Kau nampak pisang sekarang. Lampu ni baik pisang kulit pisang. Okay. Sorry guys. So kalau korang boleh nampak. Tada! Ada. Oh my god. This is annoying. Ada teddy bear. Ada keychain. Ada lampu. Let me show you the detail. Tada! This is the keychain. It was so cantik. So cantik. I'm not kidding. So it have the initial of my name. F for Fatihah. And then dia ada macam rambu-rambar. And then there's a butterfly here. That come with pink. And then dia macam nampak tu. Ada love. Oh my god, it's so cantik. The last time you beli keychain macam ni, like masa tak dekat MRSM kot, macam masa form 1, form 2. But someone give me this and wow, so special. Okay. And then ada teddy bear punya keychain. This is so cute. And then they come with the gift sets and then ada lampu. It is so cute. Thank you so much Mak Long and Pak Long. and the family. And then the wish card also come with purple. Oh my god, it's so cute. And ta-da, this is the wish card. And it says ikhlas dan ingatan. This is so cute. I love it. This is like a thoughtful gift tau. Macam I don't care what the present is. I don't care what the the price or what it can be used for me, but it is very thoughtful. So thank you again Mak Long and Pak Long for giving me this. Semoga dimurahkan rezeki selalu, diberikan kesihatan and many more. So let's go, kita buka hadiah orang lain pula. So this is the last gift yang Mimi akan buka. Tapi this is the unexpected one. Mimi tak expect gila. Bukanlah tak expect orang tu akan bagi, tapi macam kejutnya. It was on my birthday and then macam ada orang tiba-tiba postage bagi hadiah, macam so sweet of you. Okay, so tada! See, sangat misterius kan dalam box ni. Okay, so masa benda ni datang kat rumah, I thought it was a normal parcel yang mama dengan papa shopping ataupun Mimi shopping, tapi Mimi tak ingat apa benda. So Mimi macam ambil lah. And then Mimi macam, oh nama Mimi. Tapi on that day, Mimi tak tahu kenapa, Mimi macam ingat yang Mimi tak ada shopping apa-apa tau. So macam, kenapa ada parcel under nama Mimi? Sebab kalau macam mama dan papa shopping, dia akan guna nama dia orang, nama mama. So macam I'm curious, and then macam Mimi buka je lah sebab dah sampai kat rumah kan, sebab Mimi tengok alamat semua betul. And then, bila Mimi tengok nama the sender, Mimi kenal nama tu. And then Mimi rasa macam, oh this is my friend. So I open lah, tapi macam masih ragu-ragu sebab macam random lah kan. Sekali, bila Mimi buka je hadiah ni, macam okay ni asal punya video. Mimi tak nampak lagi dalam dia apa tau, tapi Mimi dah nampak benda ni. I know this is siapa yang bagi sebab this is significant. Macam dia symbol untuk gula sticky ni, dia macam a meaningful memory for me and some of my friends yang tahu. So macam Mimi buka je, Mimi dah tahu dah. Okay, so I got this from Wani. Thank you so much Wani. So first ada cute notebook. Tada, macam mana? And then here comes the interesting part. So it comes with bubble wrap. Lepas tu, Mimi ingat it's in a mini size tau, tapi besar guys. Mimi pun jarang beli gula ni yang in a size besar pun ni. Faham tak? Oh my god. Look at this. The details. Tada. Here's the bunyi. Oh my god. I love it. Tada. And ni dia punya edition yang buah punya. Okay. So, here's come the funny part. It's like cute part is that gula ni Mimi selalu beli with my family. And then Mimi selalu beli juga untuk bagi gift pada orang tau. So, there was one time yang Mimi bawa pergi MRSM and then I give it to my friends. And then bila dia bagi Mimi this hadiah, this person gave me this hadiah on my birthday. Is like very, very sweet. Also very thoughtful. So I'm really happy. So to the sender, thank you so much. May Allah bless you always. Semoga panjang umur, murah rezeki and semua kebaikan berbalik kepada orang yang hantar ni. Thank you so much. Tak tahu lah nak makan tak, dia macam sayang. Sebab Mimi sebenarnya bukan suka kat gula ni, tapi dia cantik. And then Mimi macam rasa this gula boleh bagi orang macam banyak, macam kenangan. So I just love to buy it and it's very big. So from nanti Mimi rasa gula ni akan menemani Mimi in degree life. So yeah, thank you again. I love it. Mimi tak nak buka sebab sayang. Nantilah Mimi dah buka. Okay, that's all. And last but not least, I also got a birthday gift vouchers from someone very special to me in MRSM. And then she gave me a birthday gift for voucher for Zeus app. So thank you so much for the sender. Love you. And then I think that's all. So I want to give some dah macam nak bagi speech pula kan. I just want to say thank you for everyone for all the sweet wishes and doa from every single one of you guys. Yang doakan Mimi, yang wish birthday, yang semualah yang bagi hadiah, and then yang ingat birthday Mimi, because I really love February so much. February is like a special month for me because it was my birthday, Mama's and Papa's birthday also, and then also some of my relatives punya birthday in February also. And the most important part is that it is also birthday Christina. Okay, so thank you for everyone, and to Mama, Papa, and Ma, and all my family. Thank you so much for everything. And yeah, I'm going to enjoy my last teen. Tahun depan kita dah nak 20 dah guys. Dah tua. So, you know, this at this age, like, peace is everything to me. And you guys gave it on my birthday. So, thank you so much. And Alhamdulillah for that. Okay. So, for Christina, if you're watching this video, happy birthday to you also. Untuk February punya hari tu. So, guys, you might be wonder, like, macam, maybe me and Christina are not giving gift to each other yet sebab kita orang ada wishlist. Kita orang nak jumpa. We want to celebrate our birthday together again, face to face, and give the present there. So really hope that we can meet as soon as possible and then some birthday together. Okay. And it was also Ikam's birthday, guys, in February. So yeah, I said that February is a important and meaningful month for me. So that's all. And also, thank you for those yang support me for YouTube. I really, really appreciate it. And I'm really happy actually because I chose to, you know, create my own YouTube. Because sometimes, like for random day, I just feel like, oh, no one wants to watch your video. You just do it for yourself and all of that. But actually, there are some person that always support me and watch my video. So I always feel motivated from you guys. And thank you for supporting me. So that's all I want to say. Semoga semua orang yang tengok video ni, semua orang yang wish birthday ni, dimurahkan rezeki, dipanjangkan umur, dan diberikan kesihatan yang baik-baik. Okay? And also, always be happy, guys. Okay? So I think that's all. Bye. Thank you so much for everything.